this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a YouTube video to an SEO optimized blog post in one click. So it's using a tool that I created called blogfox.ai. If you go to blogfox.ai, you can try this yourself completely for free with no credit card. So I'm going to show you how it works. So here we are in the dashboard, and all we have to do is paste in a YouTube video URL, and that's all you have to do. And we're going to go ahead and click Generate Blog. So it's as simple as one click. If you want to set different presets, which is just giving AI additional instructions or instructions about your voice and tone, writing samples, you can do that. You can also just use our default settings, which creates a really good blog post as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Generate. So immediately our generation is going to pull up. This is the thumbnail of the video that we're creating, which is one of No Code MBA's most recent videos. And immediately what's happening in the background, the AI is going to generate relevant keywords, is going to generate an SEO optimized outline, and then it's going to generate the full blog post itself. So it's doing all of these steps that in theory you could use a tool like Claude or ChatGPT to do this manually, but this is doing it all for you, all automatically, and there's a lot of additional complex prompts in the background to make sure that the result is really, really good. So it's doing all of that in the background. It also, the first step it did was get the transcript from the YouTube video, which is another step that you would have to do manually if you did it by yourself. One additional step that it is able to do is connect to different links that your website might already have. This is a really important part of SEO that if you're just using ChatGPT, it wouldn't be able to do automatically very easily. So it's essentially selecting the most relevant links and automatically going to place them in the final blog post. So I'm just going to pause the video, give it a second to finish generating. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes per article. Because we're using more powerful AI models, it takes a little bit longer. And then I'm going to show you the final result. So here we are on the final blog post. The AI also generates an image that makes sense within the context of your actual blog. There's a lot of logic behind the scenes to actually do that. And then on the blog page itself, we also create a URL slug. We create a meta description, kind of like a subheading. This can be really helpful if you're publishing this to your WordPress or Webflow blog, and this can be automatically set to the meta description. And then the YouTube video is embedded directly. And then if you go down, the links are also directly embedded. So this is like a link to card. Here we have a link to our Webflow course, our No Code MBA automatically. So it's doing all of this linking. And then there's also an FAQ section at the bottom, which generally is good for SEO. And then you can also edit it directly and add in your own styling as well directly into the editor. A couple other things that you can do is you can expand this if you want. It'll expand to be roughly 2 times the length. And then you also can publish it directly to your site. So you can connect Webflow, WordPress.com, or WordPress.org. In our case, we have Webflow connected, so I could just click Publish to Webflow, and then it would immediately update on our Webflow site. Again, go to blogfox.ai if you want to check this out completely for free. If you want to learn how to build your own AI app similar to this, check out the link in the description or go to No Code MBA's Building Apps with AI course, where you'll learn how to build AI applications like this. This was built completely with Bubble, which is a no-code tool. If you have any questions at all, please just leave a comment below. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.